Hi everyone, in this PPT we are going to see about bus topology, star topology, circuit switching and packet switching. Topology is the arrangements of nodes of a computer network. In this we are going to see bus topology and star topology. Bus topology, all data transmitted between nodes in the network is transmitted over this common transmission medium. In advantages, all the computers are connected to each other. Disadvantage, if any computer is fault, all the computers will get affected. Star topology, every node is connected to a central node called hub or switch. It is a centralized management. If one device wants to send data to another, it sends the data to the controller, which then deliver data to the appropriate destination. The controller acts as an exchange. The devices are not directly linked to each other. So if any computer is fault, not all the computers get affected. Advantages, easy maintenance and good option for modern network. Disadvantages, require more cable than bus topology. Switching in a computer network helps in deciding the best route for data transmission if there are multiple paths in a larger network. It is a one-to-one connection. In these three types of switching in computer networks: circuit switching, packet switching, and message switching. We are going to see circuit switching and packet switching. Circuit switching, a dedicated path is established between the sender and receiver. Both data transfer connection will be established first. The link is established in physical form between the two stations present in the network. The established link will be maintained and terminated for each communication session. There are three phases of circuit switching: establish a circuit, transfer the data, disconnect the circuit. Circuit establishment. If A wants to send the net data to the receiver B, first A sends a request to the node 1 and the node 1 sends request to all the nodes connected to it. Then finally it reaches the route B. Then the dedicated communication link will be established between the sender A and B. Data transfer after the establishment of dedicated link between sender A and B, the receiver will be transmitted continuously. Circuit after transmission of the data, circuit disconnection will be happen. The path will be maintained for the entire duration of communication until it is terminated by the user. After the termination, a notification signal is propagated to all the nodes in the link. Next, we is going to see about packet switching. Packet switching is the method for sending data whereby the data is divided in packets. The entire message is broken down into smaller packets. Each packet will have source and destination IP address with the sequence number. The sequence number helping to receiver reorder the packets, detect missing packets, and send acknowledgements. In this packet switching, there are two types: datagram switching and virtual circuit switching. Datagram packet switching is also known as connectionless switching, and virtual circuit switching is known as connection-oriented packet switching. Virtual circuit switching is also known as connection-oriented switching. In case of virtual circuit switching, a pre-planned route is established between the sender and the messenger. In this approach, the path is fixed for the duration of a logical connection. In datagram switching is a connectionless switching. Each independent entity is called as datagram. Datagram contain destination information and the intermediary devices use this information to forward datagrams to right destination. This packet contains a header with full information about the destination. This intermediate nodes examine the header of the packet and select an appropriate link to another role which is nearer to the destination. This results in packets in out of order that reassemble the original message. Difference between packet switching in virtual circuit switching and datagram approaches. In virtual circuit switching, pre-planned route is established, whereas datagram approach, there is no pre-planned connection is established. It sends the data to the receiver by the nearest neighbor data. Thank you for listening this PPT.